In this video, I will simply give my opinion on this Carlson Pet Products Walk-Through Pet Gate. I had this for a few months, and as you can see in the video, I installed it so my dog don't have access to the cat litter. So I'll start by talking about the good points, the thing I like about this product, and then I'll switch to the things I wish they will improve in the future. And yeah, just by the way, you see the small green strap? This doesn't come with the product. I'll talk about it later in the less good things about this gate. And by the way, I have put a link in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon. It helps my channel at the same time. So yeah, just saying. All right, let's start. The good thing, the first thing I like about this thing is that it's easy to be installed and I don't have to drill my walls. It's held in place with those rubber things right there. There are 4 of them and it's very solid. I never had to readjust this in the last 2 months. So if you had some worries about it, I don't think that's a problem at all. I also like the size of this gate. By the way, I used one of the extension that came in the box, but there is another similar one you can add right there. So it can be much larger depending on what space you have between those 2 walls. Another thing I like about this is the way it opens and closes. It's very easy to maneuver. All you have to do is, you see here, there's a small button. I mean, you just press on it and it presses on the spring that opens the lock. And then you just have to swing the gate. And it swings in both ways. You see? Just by moving the small pin on the bottom here, I'll put it like this, the gate opens both ways. So this too adds a bit of flexibility. I think it's great that I have this option. Another thing I like is that you don't need to press the button to close and lock the gate. You just have to bring it closed like this and it locks automatically. Now let me talk about the things I dislike about this gate. First of all, the hole here where the cat is supposed to pass is a bit too big for my taste or for my needs. My dog is a pinscher that weighs about, I would say 20 pounds, 20 something. I mean, yeah, it's a small dog, but there's smaller dogs and still my dog is able to pass through this hole. I have to put this green strap, I don't know how you want to call it, I found it at the dollar store, that blocks and limits the access through that pass-through. I can adjust it so my dog doesn't pass through. And by the way, this gate comes with a small door here for the pass-through that can lock as well and can also open both ways. You can also remove this door if you wish. You're not obligated to keep it there. My cat right now is wearing a cone and it's a bit harder for the cat to pass through when I put this strap. And the problem is I can't put the strap a bit higher since then my dog will be able to pass. Fortunately, soon the cat won't have a cone and I'll be able to lower the strap very low. This way only my cat will be able to pass through the gate. So depending which size is your dog, if your dog is smaller than mine, you'll have a lot of trouble with this gate. I really don't recommend if you have a dog that is less than 20 pounds. Even 20 pounds like my dog, you'll need to find a way to block the small pass-through because this gate won't be able to be useful the way it comes out of the box. Another thing that I don't like about this gate is that there are many stickers like this, warning stickers that are almost impossible to take away. You'll need some scrapers, I don't know how, but they put some really strong glue and yeah, it's almost impossible to unstick them. There's one there, one on the top here, another warning. I don't know if they do this so you cannot sue them. And there's even one on the other side. It's a shame because, you know, they try to make this gate pretty with even some fake wood grain, but they add those ugly sticker. It doesn't make much sense, but anyway, that's just a small thing I don't like. If your cat is smaller than mine, let's say you have a kitten, then it will even be able to pass through the bars of the gate. You won't even need to let the door open. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a comment down below. Also maybe a like. It's always appreciated. And yeah, don't forget the Amazon link if you want to get this gate. If not, well, I will see you in the next one.